A visa is a mandatory document that permits an individual to enter and stay in a foreign country for a specific amount of time. A visa is required if you're going abroad to study, work, or travel. How to check your US visa status? Step 1. Visit the official US Embassy's website. Step 2. Select either the immigrant visa option or the non-immigrant visa option from the drop box. Step 3. Select the city where you gave your visa interview. Step 4. Enter your application ID or your confirmation number. Step 5. Enter a Captcha code in digits or image format. Once you've entered this code, you can click submit. You will be able to check your visa status, or you can always call 603-344-0700. How to check your UK visa status? Number 1. Calling or emailing the immigration office. Number 2. Check your visa arrival estimate online. How to check visa status for Canada? You can check your visa status by visiting the Citizenship and Immigration Canada website. If the visa has been applied online, you can sign into the account using your sign-in partner or your Government of Canada credentials. If you've applied for your visa offline, you need to link your application to an online account and track its progress. Once you've created your account and logged in, you can check your visa status anytime.